In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a shared document in Google Drive. Imagine the power of collaborating with others, allowing multiple people to work seamlessly on a single document from anywhere in the world. That's exactly what Google Drive offers, and today I'll walk you through the simple steps to make editing shared documents a breeze. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you have logged in with your Google credentials, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. For our task, click on Shared with Me, where you'll find all documents that have been shared with you by others. Now, locate the document you wish to edit. You can use the search bar at the top if your list of shared files is extensive. Simply type the document's name or any keywords you remember and press Enter. Once found, double-click the document to open it. This action will open the document in a new tab or window, depending on your browser settings. Before diving into editing, check your permissions. In the top right corner, you'll see a button showing the current access level, such as Can View, Can Comment, or Can Edit. Make sure the document states Can Edit. If not, you'll need to request editing permissions from the document owner to proceed. With editing access confirmed, let's move on to the actual editing. Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides each offer a suite of tools tailored for their document types. For instance, in Google Docs, you can adjust formatting, insert images, or write text with the toolbar at the top. In Google Sheets, you can enter data, create formulas, or format cells. And in Google Slides, you have the option to add slides, insert transitions, or adjust the layout of your presentation. Explore these tools and tailor the document as required. Don't forget the power of collaboration. Use the comment feature if you need feedback or want to leave notes for others. Simply highlight a section of text, right-click and select Comment. Type your message and hit Enter. This is especially useful for collaborative projects or when seeking approval or input from teammates. Once you've made your changes, there's no need to save them manually. Google Drive automatically saves all edits in real time. This ensures that changes are preserved regardless of any unexpected closures or interruptions. Finally, when you're done, simply close the tab or window. The document will remain available for others to view or edit as necessary. Remember, practicing these steps will make collaboration more effective and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!